Bam. The new Eufy 3-in-1 video smart lock. Let's open it up. It is a smart lock with a camera built into it. Looking at battery life, different ways to open the lock, the camera quality. First look. Here it is in all its glory. These things are bulky. They're fitting a lot of material into one device. It feels a little lighter. View what will face outward. This will be on the inside. Little template piece. Here is a closer look at the camera, a fingerprint scanner, motion sensor, doorbell. We're not even done with the box. Let's keep going. What will we find? Oh, more hardware. So this is the actual deadbolt. Looks like a power bank, battery. Have a review towards the end of this month in January. Stay safe.